What's going on, guys? In today's video, I want to share with you a relatively unknown technique for trading Forex. I use this to help me control my risk and try to really be picky about which crosses that I trade on any given session. And I'll show you a twist that I've added to this technique. I didn't come up with the triads per se, but I did come up with the indicator that you see on the left, and I'll explain to you how I use this technique in order to maximize my potential profit and try to not take positions into currencies that are not currently trending. So let's define what a triad is. So a triad is a combination of three pairs that you put side by side that have currencies that are incorporated into each of into one another, basically. And since markets are always either going sideways or going up or down, like there's no these are the three options basically. Your goal with this is to identify which one of the three is going to be moving more sideways than the counterparts. So in this case, we have the pound US, the pound yen, and because you have here the USD and the JPY, then we use that currency over here as the third one. And what I'm going to do here is try not to trade all three of them because I don't want to over leverage myself, and I don't want to have any type of take any margin room in my account to trade a pair that is not moving, basically. So if we take a second example, here we have the Euro USD and Euro CAD. So the third one would be USD CAD. I could also do the same thing with, let's say, Euro USD and JBP USD. And then the third one would be Euro JBP, basically. So these, now I have two triads, and what you see here on the left is an indicator on MetaTrader that it's called multi-symbols momentum. And this is the indicator that I've discovered several years ago. I don't know how many years I've been using this. But let's just say it's ancient. And basically what I do here is I maximize this, like I have a chart here, I add the indicator and I just select these. So in white, on my setup here, in white I have the first currency, in blue I have the second one, and then in red I have the one at the extreme right. So on each of these, I have put the symbols that are related to the triad. So right here, I have Euro USD, Euro CAD, and USD CAD. And here I have Pound US, Pound Yen, and US Yen. So what this tells me here is that if I look at my momentum over here, what I can see right away is that the Pound US is the strongest of the three, and the US yen is the weakest. Of course, this is normal because this one is against the other one. So basically JBP USD and USD yen will always trade opposite to one another because the USD is reverted or inverted. So but still, even with that, I can always identify which one is going to be in the middle here. So right now it's the blue one. So even though usually the pound yen is the most volatile pair out there next to Euro Australian, let's say New Zealand yen as well is very volatile, but right now it's not the case. The pound US has more volatility, and I can see this here on the left because it's way up there and the yen is over there. So right now I would avoid trading in the pound yen, and if I didn't put them side by side like this, I couldn't have known that from the get-go. So right there, I don't want to take position in both the pound US and the pound yen because the pound US is just a better choice if I want to go long because it's the strongest right now. And you have the same type of concept here. The Euro Canadian is in the middle, and this changes. Sometimes they start to move together, and this process can also be used to find moments where pairs move really a lot together. like over here, and it can be used to confirm changes in direction when these lines actually cross. So you can sort of use this as a an indication that we're ending a trend, because the line starts to converge towards one another. So so I encourage you to set up something like this in your charts if you're using MetaTrader. These are free indicators that you can find just with Google. And so I combine this triad technique with pivots, and I find that these tools, just to analyze the market and try to figure out what should I trade today and what not as a routine, helps tremendously. So this is triad trading in Forex, and there are multiple combinations you can use. Let's say if you're trading in the Australian or New Zealand time zone, you could make triads with, let's say, Australian USD, Australian yen, and USD yen, for instance. That would be one triad. So the way to use triad in your trading is that you can say that you attribute 1% risk per triad, and then you divide that risk between the two best performing or the two most volatile pairs in that triad. So in this case, I would establish a position in the pound US and the US yen with 0.5% each. So now I'm risking 1%, but I'm focusing on the two that are most volatile for the time being, therefore maximizing my chances of having a greater potential profit compared to the other one that is not trending right now compared to the others. So if you set up several triads like this, then you can end up being able to control your risk a lot better. So experiment with this in your own trading. I find that this is one of the ways that you can control your risk and also select better trades, higher potential profit trades. So if this was helpful to you guys, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.